Hello and welcome to Do It Different. I'm Michael, and today in this video I'm going to guide you through the Glow Live app, an app which people are using to cash out good amount of money. Okay, so here you make money or you earn money without showing your face, and in this video I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can set up your account, set up your profile, how to start making money, how to get bonuses, everything I'm going to guide you through this video. So the first thing, we'll have to download the app, and the best way to download the app, you have to so that you get the bonus. There's a bonus worth some money that will be given. So in order to get that, you have to use the link that is in my description, my video description. There's a link there. That's what we will use. So once you click that link, it will bring you here. It will show you this. So once it brings you here, what you have to do is get it, or to click down here where we have get it on Google Play. Down here, get it on Google Play. And once you sign up, there's a reward, as you can see here. You can see someone saying I'm about to cash out $200. Now download Glow app and you can also receive. Okay, so get it on Play, go on Google Play, you click here, it will take us all the way into your either Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you are using. For Android users, to bring you to Play Store, then you click install. Okay, installing. Finally, our app is installed. The same thing will happen to you. It will be installed like this. Then you have to open the app, and once you open, this is the interface it will bring, like this. So you'll have to allow notification. So click allow notification and it will bring you here. This is what you will see. So you will see invite and win up to $200, blah blah blah. You can see that people here who have joined. Wow. So to set up an account, this is what you have to do. You come down here where we have profile, down here where we have profile here. So I'm going to click there. So it is saying login to access more features. We click login like this. So we are going to log in with, or sign in with Google only. That's what I advise, so that it becomes easy and simple. So sign in with Google. So for me, I'll click Google like this. Okay, then you choose an account that you can use. You pick one account. Okay, for me, I've picked mine. Then once you pick an account, or once you choose an account, to continue to Glow Live, it will bring this page, and you have to agree and share down here. Agree and share, agree and share. Then once you finish, you are in. You can see, so nickname you can change. You can change the nickname, then gender, and invitation code, which is optional. So there's an invitation code. That's why I'm saying you have to use the link that I will leave in my description. So I can use another nickname. I can change this name. Let me use this one, like that. Then the invitation code will appear here. Make sure you don't cancel it, leave it the way it is, so you register. So we'll have to set up our profile picture. So we have to set our profile picture first. So let's pick one. You can pick one with this. Okay, so for me, I've picked that. Then we'll continue registering. It will upload. You give it time, it uploads the photo. Once completed, bam, this is what it will bring. Okay, so you'll receive some notification. We shall look at them one by one. Wow, wow. So you can see red packet has been fully claimed. Thank you. Wow, so the red packet has been fully claimed. So this is what you will see. So there's some notification that we receive. There's some notifications that we receive. Let's check them out. So you receive messages like these ones. Okay, join an agency. For me, I've joined that agency. So you receive one like this: welcome to Dash Agency, please go to your personal center, live stream data to view your information. If you have any question, please contact the official team. Welcome here, respect girls starting from every live broadcast. Let us witness the shining moment of girl together, friend reminder, blah blah blah. So these are the messages that we receive. Okay, so when we go back to our profile, home, here you can see activity, charm, wealth, all this, and you can see people who are live here. Then when you go to our profile, this is what you will see. So here you'll have to do what we call real authentication. As you can see down here, you have to do real authentication. So you click that, then you have to complete the following to become a host. You can see complete the following to become a host. So we have completed one. Wealth level must reach level 10. This is completed. Then complete face authentication. So that's also, you have to do that. Then For face authentication, you'll have to allow Glow Life to take a picture or record a video. So you do that while using app. So you do the authentication. For me, I'm doing mine, and it is complete and uploading. So you wait for some time, it finishes uploading. Wow, so we are done with the face authentication. As you can see, completed. Wealth level must reach completed. Then we're going to complete account password setup. That is the last part. So you go to you click go to setting, then you enter your password. Okay, for me, I'm going to enter mine. So you enter your password, then you confirm it, you repeat it down there, and you confirm. Once you confirm, wow, you are done. So that's how simple it is. Then we can go to where we have rewards. You can see we have rewards. Okay, then when we are here, we can come where we have basic salary. Using we have basic salary here, we click go, then they're saying allow to record audio, allow. Okay, so it will confirm, switch room, switch again, it takes you here, and also here you see your ranking. So you don't need to show your face, Okay, so I have to leave here because I'm doing this only for a purpose of this video, just to guide you on what to do. So when you go to task history, like for me, I haven't done any task. Okay, so you can go back, so you can see here my agency. So that's my agency, and we are 517 people, and here are the members. You can see the members here, and I'm the second one, as you can see up there. So for you too, that's what you'll be able to see. So it is that simple. So create an account and be part of this community and start making money out of this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.